Rain has a secret scent that's been enchanting us and animals for millions of years. It's called petrichor, and it's more than just a nostalgic trigger. This earthy aroma is released when raindrops hit the ground, causing a mix of oils and compounds to rise into the air, almost like nature's own perfume. But here's the kicker: plants and bacteria have been crafting this scent long before humans roamed the earth. Geosmin, a key player in this olfactory orchestra, is produced by soil-dwelling bacteria and is so powerful that our noses can detect it at incredibly low concentrations. Even camels use this scent to find water across vast deserts. So next time it rains, remember that this captivating smell is not just a fleeting pleasure, it's an ancient signal, connecting us to the rhythm of the natural world in ways we're only beginning to understand.